it's just a very complex and advanced, set of topics and skill sets required to do that. And AI tools, like they can't replace humans, right? So they're not going to run the DAO or something like that. That would be impossible to do. But what they can do is they can help people on the outside sort of direct their attention and figure out where is it I should be focusing on? What is it I should, what's the thing right now that is sort of the real decision that matter, or the real new information we're getting in that we should be looking at. So we don't get distracted by, random things that don't really matter, or politics, which it kind of tends to happen a lot in DAOs when you have this information asymmetry that exists today.